gorgeous people, this is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, I have some friend mail. Yay! Okay, guys, so here's the thing. I have a piece of friend mail that I got from one of my subscribers who I absolutely love. I just adore her. Her name is Sally, and she sent this little piece of friend mail to me back in May. I couldn't believe this, guys. So I was cleaning out my car the other day, and there was a little card stuck in between my seats, and I realized it was this piece of friend mail that I picked up back in May sometime probably, and I didn't know that it was there, so I never opened it on my channel. So I'm really sorry, Sally. I didn't know that that little card was stuck in between the seats. So I did find it. We're gonna unbox it today along with some other fun friend mail from my girl Jean and my girl Melissa. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start with that long lost piece of friend mail from my girl Sally. And again, Sally, I am so very sorry. I did not know that this has been stuck between the seats of my car since May. I guess that just really goes to show you how often I deep clean my car. Just saying. All right, nonetheless, here is the piece of long lost friend mail. And just to show you guys, it's not opened or anything like that. I didn't open it at all because it's been stuck in my car. I feel so bad though. Like, Sally, I had no idea that this was in there, and I just feel terrible because I would have definitely done this before now. I'm just saying. So we got it opened up. Oh, it's beautiful little card. Look at the beautiful birds and the beautiful flowers. That is so nice. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. It says, "Dear Amber, thank you so much for all the goodies you sent me. I love them all. Peach Rose, Sally." Well, you are quite welcome, Sally. Sally watches my channel quite often, and I unboxed something, and I got this little, I think it was a keychain or something like that. I didn't know. It was Daryl from The Walking Dead, and I was like, I don't know who this is. If anybody knows who this is, and they would like to have it, it's yours. And Sally said she wanted it, so I just put some other little goodies in her little box because, you know, she is a faithful subscriber of mine, and I greatly appreciate it. Apparently, I can't talk. It's really early in the morning. I'm trying to film this before I start working, and this isn't working out for me, is it? At any rate, let's move on to the next piece of friend mail from my girl Melissa. I don't know if she has her last name in her little, her, I don't know how to say it. Like, you know how you have the icon and it has Amber's DIY and other stuff. I don't know if she has her last name or not, so I did block it on here, but she's got some really awesome stickers on here that I had to show you guys, so that's why I just blocked her last name and, of course, her address. But she has some super fun Wonder Woman stickers on here. Look, guys, she's got this one here, and she's got this one off to the side. That is so sweet. I just love it. And then she's got the star right here, and then on the back, she has this awesome Wonder Woman sticker. This is so fun, you guys. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pop this one open as well. Let's see what Melissa has in store for me. I think she won one of my giveaways. Pretty sure she did. I can't remember everybody who wins my giveaways. Oh, it says thank you, so that would probably be a giveaway winner. So this is so cute. Look at this, you guys. Oh, and it's purple. How awesome. I love it. That is so super cute. Oh, that is sweet. Ooh. Oh my. We have some confetti, which is so incredibly fun. I love it. Okay, we're going to set that confetti aside because I'll probably reuse it. It says, "Thank you for brightening my day." Oh, you are so welcome, Melissa. So, oh, she's got wonderful handwriting. It says, "Amber, thank you so much for the box of goodies. My son went crazy." She must have won my, what is that called? The Heroes Tower mini mystery box. That's probably what she won. He was so excited. I have to add how cute the box was decorated. Thank you for making his day. Hugs. Oh, that's cute. Your channel is so much fun to watch. Stay gorgeous. Oh, thank you. That makes my day getting this. Much love, Melissa. Oh, that is so awesome, you guys. Oh, that's so sweet. You are so welcome, Melissa. I am so glad that she finally won one of my giveaways because it truly is random, you guys. I know that, you know, the random comment picker, you can pick more than one winner or whatever. But I literally, the first one who comes up, if they've met all the requirements, they're my winner. So I'm really happy to see that she won. Ooh, we have this fun lemon scented rubber ducky. I think this goes in your car freshener. That's what I want to call it. Sorry, guys. Like I told you, it is very early, and I'm just trying to get myself woke up. Okay. I don't have these stickers, and this is so fun because I love these stickers. They are so cool. Oh my gosh, thank you. My head is spinning. Oh, I've got so many crafts I have lined up for stickers, and this is really awesome. Thank you, Melissa. I love these. Check out these awesome Wonder Woman stickers, guys. I've not seen these anywhere. I do not have them. I am super, super stoked. Definitely got to think of something really cool that I can make with these, and of course, you guys will see that in an upcoming video. I can't say when, because you guys know how long it takes me to do anything, literally. Okay, so my next piece of friend mail, actually I have two pieces, is from Pinkee Jean. Now if you guys are not familiar with Pinkee Jean, she does have a YouTube channel. She is so incredibly fun to watch. We are going to collab together very soon. It just took me forever to get my act together. I was working on a major, and I do mean a major project for work that took up like all of my days, nights, weekends. It was just excruciating, let me just say. I am so happy that that project has been completed. And then last week I wasn't able to post because I actually went away for 3 days on a 3-day meeting for my job. So I wasn't able. I'm one of those people where I film like the day before maybe, and then I edit that morning, like we're talking wee hours in the morning, 1-2 o'clock in the morning, and then post it up that day. I'm a last minute kind of person because I just don't have the time to film a whole bunch of videos and have them ready to go for next week. I wish I did. I just don't right now. I'm hoping that will change very soon now that things are slowing down with work. Maybe my weekends won't be consumed with work and I can start getting back to trying to get my videos pre-filmed ahead of time. Okay, that was way too much information, but I was just kind of letting you guys know what's going on. So this card here is from a girl, Pinkee Jean. And again, she does have a YouTube channel. I'll have it linked in the description box below. She does all kinds of fun stuff on her channel, guys. She does unboxings, but she also does readings. I think she does the readings like once a week, which I really love. I love to listen to her readings. And then she also does like lets you into her life and just kind of does random things. You know, she's taking pictures of her adventures and stuff like that. So it's super fun. If you guys have not subscribed to her channel, please make sure that you check her out right after you're done watching this video. So I have this card here. Look at the, what is this called? A sea turtle. How fun is that? So she's got a little sea turtle in the corner there. And she does have this awesome flamingo on the back that says "You are Flamazing," which I love. That is so super cute. So we're going to go ahead and pop this one open as well and see what Miss Jean has in store for me. Oh my goodness. I can't get it opened. Okay. Ooh, confetti is falling out, guys. Hello, Summer. Oh my gosh, how fun. Look at that. She is so fun with her flamingos. I just love it. And then I love how on the back here, it has her last name and then it says Productions. And she's going to have to tell me how to pronounce her last name one time. Maybe her and I can do one of those. What are those things called on, oh my gosh, so fun. What are those things called on Instagram? Video chat. Maybe we can do a video chat via Instagram one time and she can tell me how to pronounce her name. It says, Amber, love your shoe videos. Thank you for entertaining us. You're so welcome, Jean. I'm coming to the end of my shoe collection videos, but I will have some shoe storage videos and some shoe DIY videos coming up. So definitely look forward to those. It says, hey, Peep, I hope you have an absolutely amazing summer. Thank you so much for your support. Just me, Jean. Ooh, almost dropped it. Awesome. So fun. That's so cool, Jean. I love that you send everybody these little cards to let them know that you're thinking about them. I think that's really sweet. And then I think it's a bookmark. It says, faith does not make things easy. It makes things possible. Love that. That is a great little saying. I'm actually probably going to like frame this and put it in my office area where I have a lot of the things that I have from my YouTube buddies. Maybe I'll give you guys a tour of that one day soon too, because I do have everything set up that anyone's ever sent to me. I definitely keep it. I set it up throughout my house in various different areas, so maybe I'll give you guys a tour of that coming up. She also sent me this lovely little package. It says thank you, and it has a little flamingo right here. How cute is that? So fun. And of course she has her little sticker on the back there that says "You are Flamazing." I did already cut this one open, but I haven't peeked, guys. It's still wrapped in the tissue paper. So let's make sure we got everything out of there. And we'll open it up and see what fun little things she has in here for me. Oh, so fun. It says thank you. Okay. Thank you for what? What did I do? Amber, you are amazing in so many ways. Thank you for being you. That is so sweet. Thank you, Jean. Ah, she knows how to brighten somebody's day. It says, hey, Peep, you're amazing. Thank you so much for the treasures. Just me, Jean. Oh, that is so fun. I love it. I love it. Love it. And then, of course, she has her little flamingo with her last name and the productions on the back. So super fun, you guys. Okay, let's see what goodies she's stuck in here for me. We have a Neutrogena makeup remover wipe. I definitely use these, you guys. Actually, these ones, little ones here, are nice to stick in your purse just in case you need them, which is nice to have. So that's fun. Oh, how cute. I think this is Mickey Mouse. Stop it. We have a Mickey Mouse hair clip. How cute is this? I hope you guys are going to see this. Look how cute this is. They have the little different color Mickey Mouses, the pink, the green, and then on this side we have a pink and a purple, and they're like intertwined with two hair clips. How fun is that? That's cute. And then we have My Way Giorgio Armani. I think it's a perfume sample. Ooh, it is. Okay. I normally don't like perfume samples, but we'll give this a smell. My mom does like them, so she might be getting this. How do I open this? It's like perfectly sealed. I do want to open it and give it a sniff because I'm curious. But I'm definitely not a perfume sample fan. Yeah, okay, this one isn't bad though. Like, you guys would have known. I'd have been like, ugh, gah, like in my last video. That was terrible. This is actually not bad at all. Definitely something that my mom might like to wear, and it's My Way by Giorgio Armani. How nice is that? So I definitely pass this along to my mom. Thank you so very much. I am one of those people, I'm like a creature of habit, and I only wear the Body Fantasies cotton candy scent. So like I said in my last video, if they stop making that, I really don't know what I'm going to do, because I literally wear that every single day. Okay, then I have this super cute flamingo sticker. Oh, that is so adorable. Love it. That is so fun. And then we have a couple of masks, it looks like. So we have a refreshing green tea mask. Oh, that's nice. Definitely excited to give that a try. I think the green tea is good for detoxing. Am I right, you guys? I hope I'm right. I don't know. I think that's what it's good for. I didn't read it. Oh, rich in antioxidants, to sensitive skin, helping to protect from free radical damage caused by environmental exposure. And then we have ultra hydrating under eye pads. Okay, I've definitely never tried these ones. It's called Skin Aesthetics. Okay, definitely excited to give those a try. That is so super fun. Oh, thank you so much, Jean. I appreciate all of the goodies. You guys are so awesome. Melissa, Jean, and Sally. Can't forget Sally. I already forgot her once. It was buried in my car for the past couple of months. I can't forget her again. So again, thank you to Sally, Melissa, and Jean. I really appreciate all of you. And if you guys have not checked out Jean's channel, please make sure that you check her out. I'll have a link in my description box below. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Sally, I'm so sorry. This card just slipped in between the seats and I did not know it was there, so I didn't know that I had it to unbox, or open, rather. Let's try that again. And it's been stuck there since May. That just goes to show you how often I clean out my car. It's a scary thought. Hold on.